Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Intrapost. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just type in mysite.canadapost.ca and press enter. You will then be taken into the official employee login page for Intrapost. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your user ID followed by your password. After typing both of these, you can simply click on the blue login button and you will be logged into your employee account with Intrapost. In case you forgot your password, you can find the forgot password button underneath the login button. You can simply click on the English or the French version and you will be taken into another page. And you will be taken into another page from which you can reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Intrapost. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.